friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the GeekBench Mark 5 test on the iPhone 14 Pro Max on the day 1 after unboxing. And this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. And let's do the GeekBench Mark 5 scores in this device on the day 1 after unboxing. So recently I did upload the videos on the benchmark test as well. And today I'm going to do the test on the GeekBench Mark 5 for the first time in this iPhone 14 Pro Max after the unboxing. And this phone has got the 6GB of RAM version and Apple's A16 Bionic chipset which is used in this iPhone 14 Pro Max device. So let's do the CPU totaling Geek benchmark test. So in terms of the CPU benchmark, that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video regarding the Geek benchmark score, single core and the multi-core, what you can actually expect in this iPhone 14 Pro Max device. Let's go to the benchmarks and run the test. And let's see single core and the multi-core results what we can get. And finally we got the single core and the multi-core results, so which did score pretty good, you can see clearly. So this is more than, I think, a lot better than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor and 8 Gen 1 processor as well when you compare regarding the multi-core performance. So I'll definitely do the side-by-side comparison with other Snapdragon processors, then you can get a clear idea what's the difference. So from this Apple's A16 Bionic chipset versus other smartphones regarding the single core and multi-core, what you can actually expect. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you have other questions, let me know in the comments below. And these are overall single core multi-core results which we got in the Geek benchmark on the day 1 of unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching and bye.